Hi there, today we're going to practice adding tens. So if I show you the number 10, that really means 10 of something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 of them. So if we add another 10 to it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we have added two groups of 10, and we get the answer of 20. We have 20 total. Now notice something in our numbers didn't change. Right here, notice we have a 0 here, a 0 here, a 0 here. The only number that changed when we added up 10 plus 10 was the 2. This 1 and 1 become 2. Now, a little review of place value. When adding, we have the 1s and then the 10s. When you're adding with just 10s, as we're practicing here, just 10s, the 1s never change because there's always 0 1s. There's only the 10s change. So let's try this with another one. Let's try adding 40 plus 30. If we look here, our 1s are always going to be 0. So 0 plus 0, our first step, is going to be what? That's right, 0. Now we just have to add our 10s up. And we know that 4 plus 3 is 7, and it's 7 10s. So 4 plus 3, 7, for a total, or sum, of 70. What this really means is if we drew it by 10 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, plus 1, 2, 3 10s. If we count those all up, that's the same as 7 10s, and 7 10s is the same as 70. Let's go try another. Now what's going to happen if I add a 10 with just some 1s? For instance, what if I added 60 and I added 5 to it? Well, in 60, are there any 1s there? Nope, just a 0. So the 1s are going to be just what I added to that 10. In this case, 5, because 5 plus 0 is 5. Now I have 6 10s and no 10s here, so I'm going to just bring down my 6 10s for the answer of 65. It's the same as if I was using 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10 sticks. That's the same as this number right here, 60. And I'm going to add 5 1s, and I'm just going to pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. If we counted that up, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Now let's have you try one. Add 70 plus 20. What is that going to equal? Well, let's walk through it. We can switch it to vertical, 70 plus 20. Our 1s stay the same as 0. And then we have to add 7 10s plus 2 10s, which equals 9 10s, for a sum of 90. If you said 70 plus 20 is 90, you did an excellent job. Nice work. How about this number? 30 plus 7. Can you add that up for me? What do you get for a sum? Let's add our 1s first. We always add our 1s first. So 7 plus 0 is 7. And then add our 10s. 3 10s plus 0 10s is 3, or 30 and 7, or 37. Nice work. It's the same as saying we have 1, 2, 3 10s. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s. Put them together, you get the answer of 37. Another way to think of it is when you're adding with 10s, the That 7's just going to shoot right up here because there's nothing here. It's just adding in from where the 0 is in the 1s. So 3 10s, 7 1s, or 37. Let's do a word problem to review. Mike has 30 baseball cards and his brother has 50 baseball cards. How many do they have in all? So we know we're adding, so we're practicing adding 10s. So what's our first step? That's right, let's draw out that we need 30 and 50. And we're trying to find them in all. So let's vertically add them. 30 plus 50. Can you find that sum? That's right. If you said 80, you are completely correct. We have 0 and 0 in the 1s. Just add our 10s up. 5 10s plus 3 10s is 8 10s for a total of 80. So in all, they have 80. Great job. You've been practicing adding 10s. Remember to add the 1s first and then the 10s. If you're adding just 10s, there's always going to be none in the 1s. So you're just practicing adding those 10s up. Great work, and I can't wait to talk to you soon about math.